everybody! Today I am so happy because you can see I am with my superhero. And are you curious that what was he made from? He was made from 3D printing technology. And what other products can they make? Today I'll show you one by one. And also we have some different kinds of technology, and I'll also share with you. Now I'm in our 3D printing laboratory, and we have a lot of machines here. And because our material is photosensitive resin, so the environment is a little dark. You can see here it's a little dark. And I will show you what are they working. Okay, now let's have a look at what are they working. We have more than 10 sets of stereolithography 3D printing machines. They work for 24 hours per day. The maximum size of product is 1,700 times 800 times 500 mm. The liquid resin is solidified through a process called photopolymerization. During solidification, the monomer carbon chains that compose the liquid resin are activated by the light of the UV laser, and then they become solid, strong, and form unbreakable bonds between each other. After 3D printing, we'll get some products like this. But it is not the last step. We also have some other steps for perfect products, such as deburring those parts, and polishing and painting. After that, our workers will manually deburr the products one by one according to the 3D drawings. The next step is to polish the surface. We will use sandpaper to polish the product again, so that the surface of the product becomes smooth enough without burrs. After polishing, we will do the painting for the products. This is our painting workshop. We will match the right color according to the customer's requirements, and then spray paint the products. Generally, we will spray paint the products 3 times to ensure the color is accurate and uniform. After painting, the products will be put into the oven for drying to make sure the color is solid enough.